Thailand is a country rich in culture, history, and beautiful landscapes. But did you know there are some surprising things about Thai people that you might not be aware of? In this video, we will share with you 3 things about Thai people that you didn't know before. Let's get started. 1. Thai people don't slurp the noodles. In many cultures, it is common to slurp noodles loudly while eating them. This may seem impolite to some, but in certain societies, it is considered a sign of appreciation for the meal. However, in Thai culture, it is not customary to slurp noodles. Thai people generally prefer to eat their food in a quiet and refined manner. While they may occasionally make a slurping sound while eating, it is not done to the same extent as in other Asian countries such as Japan or China. Instead, in Thai culture, it is also considered impolite to make loud noises while eating. This includes slurping, as well as talking with your mouth full or making other loud sounds while chewing. Thai people value politeness and good manners, and eating quietly is seen as a way to show respect for the food and the people around you. 2. Thais don't walk under the rain. In Thailand, it is a common belief that walking under the rain can make you sick. This belief is deeply ingrained in Thai culture, and many people avoid walking outside during rain showers. But why do Thais avoid walking under the rain, and is there any scientific basis for this belief? One possible explanation for this belief is that rainwater in Thailand may be contaminated with bacteria and other harmful microorganisms. This is especially true in urban areas where pollution is a problem, as rainwater can pick up pollutants from the air and the ground. Walking under the rain could expose you to these harmful substances, which could potentially make you sick. Another possible reason why Thais avoid walking under the rain is that they believe it can cause a change in body temperature, which can lead to illness. 3. Thais don't drink coffee in the evening or at night. Thais believe in prioritizing a good night's rest, which is why they avoid coffee and tea in the evening or at night. In Thailand, coffee culture is booming and you'll find coffee shops on every street corner. However, there's a cultural belief that Thais don't drink coffee in the evening or at night. Why is that? Well, it's believed that drinking coffee at night disrupts your sleep and can cause insomnia. Thai people prioritize a good night's rest, and they know that a good night's sleep is essential to maintaining good health and well-being. So there you have it, 3 things about Thai people that you might not have known before. Thai people are known for their warm hospitality, unique customs, and love for their culture.